Christ, Little Red Riding Hood. Hey there, Little Red Riding Hood, you sure are looking good.
Motherfuckers try to underestimate my skill. Like I said, I treat the mic like if it was steel. Grabbing body bags, cause I'm out for the kill. It's ghosts on the track, so you know the deal. So cold, cause the shit is spit is so fucking real. Been out of the game for a second. These lames keep yapping, so I'm stressing. Going insane, time to pull my investment. Pussies pray that I retire. It's the number 2 hit man for hire. Parental discretion advised till I expire. Number 2, cause I'm the shit. You bitches ain't on my level, so who you fucking with? It's the devil. You ain't worthy for the tip, but since you snowflakes complain, here's a tip. Shut your motherfucking ass up for once. Every single day I hear from you cunts. Complain this, that, take this, you dunce. Keep them lips closed unless you're eating lunch. You're dealing with hip-hop's finest. Let's get all this bullshit behind us. If you ain't feeling me, turn off the station. I'm too hard for you pussies, no explanation. Metalhead with bars, no destination. Train traveling at the speed of light. Y'all weak with that punk shit, you're right. Chained up, all bark, no bite. Mr. Monotone with no expression. Coming at the holodomes, I'm just flexing. Y'all bunch of follow drones, I'm with the best man, this is war. Soldiers strapped up with mics, bring it gore. MC precision, leg dropping to the floor. Niggas the ammo, I'm running my course. Listen to the mumble of a man, sounds like chores. Ghosts connect words, MC to the core. I'm falling off, but do you know my name? Ghosting for years, coming back the same. Dissing cocksuckers, attempting pain. Running mouths, then they go mute. Trying to talk that shit, I think it's cute. I'm the remote, pushing buttons called the truth. Killing people on tracks inside the booth. Fucking emotion and fuck his brothers too.